Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. I'm sitting in a fresh trade here, so I've just pulled this one around and got to thinking I've never done a video on this, and a lot of you guys might be wondering how to change your cabin air filter in a 4Runner. So this is the current generation 4Runner. Don't expect to see the next one until probably 2025. So this is 2011 through probably 2024. This will be how you change your cabin air filter. So first thing is, you look for your glove box, pop your glove box down. All right, so I'm going to pop out of here just so I can give you guys a better view of what you're looking at. All right, like I said, fresh trade-in, you're going to see there's a door back here. All right, so you're going to pop this door out. You got these two little clips on either side. You can pop this door down, and I haven't looked at this one, but you can kind of see how this is. But I haven't looked at this filter. Don't know if it's clean. Don't know if it's not. But you're going to see on either side back here, you've got these clips that are on either side. All right, I'm going to try to do it with one hand. So you kind of got to get it to where it'll come out. There you go. All right, so now these clips. So you got a door within a door, right? And you can already see some of the dirt that's on the back there. So keep in mind, this is all what you're breathing, right? So if you pull this out, a lot of times you'll find out exactly what you've been breathing. So when they say, you know, and you get your car serviced and they say, hey, look, you should service your cabin filter, this could be what you have in your filter. So like I said, I have not looked at this prior to now. You know, these filters are not that expensive, and you should really change them about as much as you can possibly change them, right? A little cameo from a jet up there, but keep in mind, like I said, this is the air you and your family are breathing. I would always, you know, look at this. You know, you can see what's in this filter here. I mean, look, I mean, I'm getting all of this crap out of this filter, and look, I mean, here in the bright sun, right, you can see, look at all of this stuff that's down in this filter. So as you have your family in your car, that's what you're breathing, right? And you just saw how easy it is to change once you get it changed. So I know we're going to end up changing this, but I'm going to show you. So once you get it changed, you see your blower motor is down in there, of course. But once you get the new one, of course, you just slide that thing back in there. Slides in pretty easy. Then you take your, and you can see down on the bottom here, these two little holes. All right, so you're going to line that up. All right. And you'd be shocked just to see how many of these things come in really dirty. But then you're going to come back here. You can see how everything will line up right where it's supposed to be. Got this little spot in the center here. Like I said, this is on a 4Runner. Now, most of your Toyotas are going to be very similar, right? But that's pop back in there and then there. So even if you don't have the service department do it yourself. Get the part, put it in there, change it more often than you need to, right? And realistically, you should probably change it about every oil change, if not at least every other oil change. 20,000 miles, you should not have it in there longer than that. Got an American saying hi behind us here, but you should always make sure that you keep that cabin filter, and I'm not trying to sell it to you, right? Keep that cabin filter clean. It's gonna, you spend a lot of time in your car, and a lot of times it's cleaner air in your car than it is outside. Let that thing do its job. Don't let it get like that. Like I said, didn't know what I was in for when I opened it, but it just kind of went to prove a point. So Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Definitely like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys, and let me know what you guys think. Take care.